boys and girls. Today, Little Pop Art is holding a Play-Doh art class.
And today is Bring Your Pet to Work Day because we are going to make Play-Doh pet portraits.
Woohoo! At the end of the class, we will have a contest to see who made the best portrait, and we are going to win a prize. Here's a little sneak peek. Let's get started.
Oh boy, I just love art class. I'm going to make the best portrait of Cottontail Kitty. Pop art? Yes. I just wanted to tell you, thank you so much for inviting me and Cottontail Kitty to your art class. Let's start playing with Play-Doh. All right, get to work. We are going to use light pink, black, yellow, and white. Now she is more of a sandy color, but let's just make her yellow and then she'll have white for her hair. I think that'll work, right? Aww. Ta-da! Boys and girls, my Play-Doh masterpiece is complete. Look at yourself. Oh, she loves it. Oh, I wonder what Pop Art has to say. Oh, well, the colors are a little bit off, but you have a very, very nice, neat hair, and it's also a little bit lopsided. But I'd give it a B. Hey, well, she's tough, but that's not bad. Hi, boys and girls, it's Hoops MVP and Hoops Dog, and we are about to make the coolest portrait ever. Curious Cuties looks pretty good, but I think we can beat it. What do you think? Oh, whoa! All right. Okay, so we got black, orange, light brown, and hot pink. Let's do this. Ta-da! Boys and girls, I made Hoops Dog. That's my pup. Come here, Hoops, look. I think that means she likes it. Oh, no. Let's see what Pop Art has to say. Hey, little Pop Art. Oh, well, would you look at that? That is just gorgeous. I love the pink hair. I would say you could have used a little texture there and maybe a little smile. But other than that, you did great. Oh, thank you. Okay, great. Who's next?
Oh, I think, oh!
Hey.
I am so sorry about that. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I think I'll go next. I'd love to paint Dollmatian. And by paint, I mean sculpt with Play-Doh.
Oh, well, go ahead, Dollface.
Alrighty, Dollmatian. It looks like all you need is black, white, and blue for those pretty blue eyes. Look, it's Dollmatian in Play-Doh form. adorable. Oh. Wow, Dollface, that is adorable. Oh, and look, she is so cute. Oh, okay, I love the hair, very good. The eyes are a little bit uneven, but good job overall. Okay, boys and girls, we have 3 so far, so don't forget to be thinking about who you think should win. We have Hoops, we have Curious Cutie, and Dollface. These are their portraits, so go ahead and think about it. Let's go.
Boys and girls, it's my turn now! Super Baby and Su-Purr Kitty. Okay, so for Su-Purr Kitty, we're going to need this like yellow color for her fur, like an off-white. And we're gonna need purple for her hair. Oh, I love purple. And a little pink in there too. And oh, maybe some light purple for her eyes. And of course, oh, black. Okay, let's go ahead and start her little kitty face. Well, I'm gonna give this an A for effort. Good job, Super Baby. Oh, and last but not least, boys and girls, we have Dawn and Dawn Pooch. And we have black, pink, and I'm gonna do like a light orange for her fur. What do you think? Woo! And there she is, boys and girls, it's Dawn Pooch. Whoa, whoa. Oh, wow, great job. Okay, are we ready to vote? Let's take a look.
All right, boys and girls, you have 1 second to cast your vote. Dawn Pooch, Super Kitty, Dollmatian, Cottontail Kitty, or Hoops Dog, and go.
Very good, but I think the winner is Hoops Dog. I'm so excited, thank you so much. You're welcome, you're quite an artist. That's just so neat and nice to look at. I just love it. It looks a lot like Hoops Dog. Oh, I think so too. Oh, do I get a prize? Oh, yes you do. It's a My Little Pony egg. And I think it's purple, which is like one of my favorite ponies. Oh, it's Twilight Sparkle. Oh, look at her. And whoa, she is very flexible. Wow, that is so cool. Oh, her tail comes out here. And here she is. Woo! Wee, she's got wings too. Whoa, have fun everyone. Goodbye. Woo! Okay, boys and girls, we have some celebrating to do because everyone here was really a winner today. These artworks are just gorgeous. Look at that. Anyways, let's give out a couple shout outs and then we'll wrap things up. Shout out number 1 goes to Huxley and it's his birthday in August. Happy birthday!
And shout out number 2 goes to Amy. She gave us a really great idea for another L.O.L. theater club video and she is so smart. Thank you so much. We really appreciate your ideas.
Okay, everyone, let's make some more Play-Doh faces. What do you say? Woohoo! Have a good day, boys and girls. Bye-bye.
Let us know if you'd like to see more LOL Surprise Dolls Play-Doh videos in the comments. And if you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe or hit the like button below. Thank you so much, everyone!